Break 468 for the 2017 TriStar Hinchers autograph jersey. Appreciate everyone getting it. First thing we always do is refresh the date and time according to eBay. This is a live break. It's Thursday, February 15th, 2018. It's 11:04 a.m. Eastern Time and 8:04 a.m. Pacific Time. Next, what we do is read off the eBay usernames and how many spots each one you guys have. Then after I read through, I copy this list. I paste it in ram.org. We randomize 5 times. And that gives us our list for the team you have for the break. So AJ, you have 20, Garbald 2, LSCHS 2, Sausanti 2, LJM 9152, and Jersey and Stuff 4 spots. Alright, so there's the list. Now we paste. We're randomized 5 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Sauce, you're on top, and AJ, you're on the bottom. Put that right on. Alright, so now this will be the team you have for the break. Okay. Sauce, you have the Cardinals, Jersey and Stuff Falcons, Garbald Ravens, AJ, Bills Panthers, Jersey Bears, AJ Bengals Browns, Sauce Cowboys, AJ Broncos, LJM Lions, AJ Packers, Texans, Colts, Jags, LJM Chiefs, Jersey and Stuff Rams, AJ Dolphins, LSCH Vikings, AJ Patriots Saints, Jersey and Stuff Giants, AJ Jets Raiders Eagles Steelers Chargers Niners, Garbald Seahawks, LSCH Bucks, AJ Titans Redskins. So let's go through that again. Alright. So this is 468. Good luck to everybody. All sealed up. There's this here. Alright, see what we have here. Hey, this is a sweet jersey. I've not seen one of these. Empty box. It's gonna be a Dwight Clark. That's sweet. 87, Dwight Clark. Dwight Clark, 2-time Super Bowl champ, 2-time Pro Bowl, 2-time All-Pro. Sam Fran retired his number. Clemson Hall of Fame, 88. Known for the catch in 81 NFC playoffs that gave the 49ers a 28-24 victory over the Dallas Cowboys. The 49ers were going to become Super Bowl champs. Played at Clemson. Dwight Clark. That's pretty sweet. I always see the video of him catching in the end zone. It's the first Dwight Clark jersey I've seen. Dwight Clark, 87. Dwight Clark. Alright, let's see who has those 49ers. San Francisco. It's going to AJ Tang 59. So coming your way, you got a Dwight Clark autographed jersey, man. Appreciate everyone getting in. If you guys are new to the break, be sure to subscribe and follow me on eBay. Check out my other listings. Also, in the description, you can go to my eBay page and check out other listings if you're interested. And hope everyone has a great night and a great weekend. See you next time. Thank you.